Airport operators are responsible for running complex operations over large physical sites with high demands on safety, security, and efficiency. There is a need to drive digitalization to enable innovation that will significantly increase operational efficiency and sustainability. NTT has partnered with Microsoft to deliver their smart airport solution to Cologne Bonn Airport. This solution helps airports digitally transform their operations, including baggage handling, passenger screening, and data transfer. Cologne Bonn Airport is building a completely private 5G network with NTT across 1,000 hectares. This network will allow the airport to transform critical business processes such as luggage handling and border control, enabling them to provide better service to airlines, passengers, commercial customers, and employees.
Reliable network connection is key for many processes and applications across the airport. Especially the bridging point between Wi-Fi networks and public networks is where issues occur, with large amounts of data and especially real-time applications. NTT's solution, powered by Azure Private MAC, helps us to deploy the infrastructure and applications we need to increase our operational efficiencies. NTT's knowledge of 5G networks, combined with the experience of the aviation industry, is the perfect combination. The private network enables digital solutions to optimize the movement of people, baggage, and equipment safely and in real time across the airport, and operate reliably indoor and outdoor without the risk of congestion of public networks.
NTT offers a full stack of digital ideas to our customers. We see a great landscape where you can create outcomes with value. It excites me to work with Cologne Bonn Airport. NTT will help the airport to make travel more secure, faster, and sustainable. Azure Private MAC is a fundamental part of NTT's subscription-based managed service for private 5G networks. And with Azure IoT solutions, we have the foundation to bring results fast to the customer. With private 5G network, we collect all the data, put them in a digital process, AI-powered, to make smart decisions and to do things better in the future.
Microsoft, NTT, and Cologne Bonn Airport are working together to deliver technological innovation to the airport, bringing significant improvements to the airport's operations. Having reliable connectivity with a private 5G network enables airports to deliver new and improved services to their customers, partners, and to the passengers that travel through their facilities every day. Microsoft Private MAC and 5G service provide the simplicity, security, and scalability that airports need to unlock all the benefits of 5G.